So today I'm going to be planting in a crate, and I have some of, you know what, I don't even know the name of this, but this is what you use in the garden, and I'm going to use this to line the crate. I am going to use this for sweet potatoes. So I'm just going to put this in here and measure it to where it should be, just so it fits all the way around, and then I'm going to cut off the excess. So now that I have it cut, move it down from the wind, I'm gonna go ahead and pour my dirt in it before it blows away. At this point, I'm going to add some bone meal. All along the bottom. And then I'm going to add some more dirt on top. Once I've spread that out, I have my sweet potato plants here. I'm going to just, let's see, section off in 6. I'm going to try to section 6 in here because I don't have a lot of pots, so I want to just utilize the space that I have. So I'm just going to make some holes. Alright, then kind of squeeze the bottom on each one and gently pull them out. So this is the first one. You can see those roots. And I'm just going to stick it in there. Alright, I'm going to do the rest. Now that I've got them all planted in, and they're probably too close, and somebody's probably going to say something about them being too close, but this is what I have, so this is what I'm working with. And I'm going to go ahead and put some more dirt on the top, and that's going to be it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Definitely thumbs up this video if you're loving these types of videos. I would love to hear it in the comments. Leave me a comment. Let me know if you're starting a garden this season and how is it going. Are you having any issues? I am new to this, but once you start, you know, it just keeps going and going and growing and growing. So I have planted so much more than I thought I was going to, but I am enjoying it at the same time. So leave me some comments below. I want to chat with you guys. And yeah, so this is what we have. I'll be sitting it out and looking forward to some delicious sweet potatoes in my own yard. Talk to y'all in the next video. Bye.